Today we are making a delicious mixed fruit cheesecake. Mixed fruit cheesecake recipe. Ingredients. For the crust. 1½ cups cookies crumbs. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 6 tablespoons melted butter. For the cheesecake. 16 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 4 large eggs, separated. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream. For the mixed fruit topping. 1 cup strawberries, whole and sliced. 1 cup blueberries. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup blackberries. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Prepare crust. Prepare cheesecake. Bake 55 to 60 minutes or until set. Prepare fruit topping. Mix fruit, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon. Juice, cook until thickened. Cool cheesecake top with fruit mixture. Mixed fruit combinations. Strawberry, blueberry, raspberry. Peach, pineapple, kiwi. Mango, peach, apricot. Berry bliss, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Tropical temptation, pineapple, mango, kiwi, papaya. Tips. Use fresh and high-quality ingredients. Don't overmix batter. Bake at low temperature to prevent cracking. Chill cheesecake before serving. Variations. Add nuts, walnuts, pecans to crust. Use different types of cheese, ricotta, mascarpone. Add spices, cinnamon, nutmeg to cheesecake. Use fruit jam or preserves as topping. Nutrition information per serving. Calories 320. Fat 22 g. Saturated fat 14 g. Cholesterol 60 mg. Sodium 250 mg. Carbohydrates 25 g. Fiber 2 g. Sugar 18 g. Protein 15 g. Enjoy your delicious mixed fruit cheesecake.